Hi friends, one of our favorite things to do is have a party. And one of my favorite things to serve at a party is what, Mackenzie?
BLT Dip.
BLT Dip. So hang out with us and I'm going to show you how we make our BLT Dip. Alright, so Mackenzie's going to help us with this recipe. We have some mayo, sour cream, some really nice tomatoes, shredded lettuce, and bacon, salt and pepper. So Mackenzie, why don't you start off with the sour cream and the mayo. So I usually go double the amount of sour cream to mayo. So I have 4 tablespoons of sour cream and 2 tablespoons of mayo. So Mackenzie's gonna get that in the bowl. Now this is a great recipe for the summertime because tomatoes are so delicious in the summertime. All right, no eating the profits. All right, get that mayo in there. Good. Nope. All right, good job. Why don't you mix that up a little bit, Mackenzie? All right. Now let's add our tomatoes. You can leave that in there. Remember, only use half of the tomatoes. We're going to use the other half of these tomatoes in another recipe. Had some really nice red tomatoes. One more scoop, Mackenzie. Nice. Now give that another little mix. Nice. All right, let's add our bacon and our lettuce. You can add all that bacon. Now this is only 4 pieces of bacon, cut up really small. So imagine if you having a big party, you can have this for a lot of people with like 1 pound of bacon. All right, give that a really good mix. Oh, get that back. Hey. All right, we're gonna mix this up and then we're gonna put some toast in our toaster and we're gonna have some BLT dip. All right guys, so our BLT dip is mixed up. This is what it's gonna look like. You can go a little less lettuce, more tomato, more bacon. You can add some herbs to it. Patrick and Mackenzie are here to try it out. Let's see what you think, guys.
Okay.
Like I said, this is a great recipe for the summertime when the tomatoes are really ripe. What do you think?
Excellent. It's really good.
Awesome. All right, Patrick and Mackenzie, what do you have to say?
Hope you like this video and eat up. Bye.